Hello my beauties, so today I'll be using Urban Decay 24/7 liner. It's waterproof, it's in the shade called Deep End, which is a beautiful turquoise color. And I'll be using Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsessions mini palette, the two sparkly blue shades. Love it. Now all I'm doing is brushing my hair into the direction that it grows in. I will be filling in light strokes with the liner, going on the bottom, underneath, and then on the top, just so that it's easier to fill it all in. Light strokes at the beginning of the brow. Then when you reach your point of arch, you can kind of, depending on how you want the brow to look, I want mine to look more defined, so I'm gonna draw harshly on it a little bit, I would say. And even if you go over the lining, it doesn't matter because we're going to clean it up anyway with concealer. So even if it's not perfect or it's not drawn nicely or neat, no worries. We're going to clean it all up with concealer. So you can still kind of see the black hairs, but I have a trick for you guys. I'm just showing you how to do the other brow now. Take a moment to admire my round brush. I round brush my wig and it's just looking so nice. Look like I bumped it with the flat iron, but I didn't. The perks of being in beauty school. Okay, now I'm just taking the spoolie in and I'm blending out the beginning of my eyebrow just so it doesn't leave that boxy look. You know how girls have that harsh square box in the beginning of their brows? That's not what I want. More power to you if that's something you want to aim towards, but not for me. So now I'm using the sparkly turquoise shade from the Sapphire Obsessions palette, and I'm just packing it all onto a brush and hitting those black hairs, especially the point of arch, because that's where I want it more defined at. So the goal is no black hairs, doing it without any chemicals. So just a little temporary look. But the liner is waterproof, so this actually lasted me a couple days, and especially because I didn't bother to wipe it off. Now I'm just going to snatch my lashes off because I plan on doing a whole full face of makeup, and I don't want to get my concealer on my eyelashes. So now, clean up the brow to your liking of how you would like your shape. Look at that, beautiful. So I want it more sharp towards the ends. Line it all up and just clean. So when I get to, being that I'm doing a full face of makeup, I'm just gonna blend downwards. So I got a damp beauty blender and I'm just blending out that concealer, as you can see. And for the top part, I'm actually going to wipe a little off because I don't like packing makeup on top of makeup, especially being that I forgot one of my good blending brushes that day. So I'm just wrapping my hairline so I won't get any makeup onto my lace wig. And yeah, final look.